Hi guys, so we are now on Maldives Diary 3. Tonight we are having, me and some of the guys are having a cinema night tonight. So Olivia, who's the manager of Kids Club, is organising a little get together for us all. So she wants me to go like make apples something or other now with her. Like I've got to go peel apples, so I don't know what she's doing. But first we're going to go to the shop and get some snacks. Even though I ate my body weight in chocolate on Saturday night when I was watching Leeds United play, but hey ho. So yeah, I'm going to give you a little show around actually. I'll show you the little tuck shop first where we are, and then I'll be back in a bit when I'm with Olivia and the gang. So yeah, I'm excited to have a little school night out. So I'm just coming up to the staff car now. This is where we get us food in here actually. This is the staff canteen here. White lights. Yeah, this is where we eat food. And then this is the truck shop here, but I can't flip the camera so I'm going to stop and then start again. So guys, now at Kids Club. Let's go find Olivia. I've not actually been in here before. My first time, so I don't know what to expect actually. I don't know how big it's going to be or anything. So we're seeing this together. So Olivia is my new buddy on the island. And she's been looking after me really since day one. Oh, it doesn't look like there's anybody here. Hello to my my Maldives vlog.
Oh, hiya!
Welcome to the Kids Club! So what are we making again?
We're stewing apples,
It's like,
cinnamon and sugar.
and it's like Blue Peter.
I haven't got here's what I made anyway yet.
Oh, look at all these little handprints. Here's one I made earlier. Have you done? Have I come in time for when you're finished?
No, I thought you like her. Oh my god, he's not coming for peeling. It took me a while.
Oh no, I'm coming to help you now. Okay, so no boys, just girls. And what movie are we going to watch? What would you want to do?
Oh yeah, okay, so do you cut?
Little pieces.
Yeah, and I'm just going to mix.
Okay, I've just touched my hair, I'm sorry. I've just washed though, so okay.
And then...
Are we putting the alcohol in this?
I walked into the deli the other day and they do alcoholic, and then we're going to add cinnamon.
So what's wrong with Ricardo? Why is Ricardo not coming?
He's tired, he's in bed already.
Oh, okay, God, I've just got a quarantine because it wants to like human interaction,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
I think, like, especially because it's going straight into like no,
Of
like
course, yeah. Into tennis playing.
I'm going to add some sugar to the cinnamon so it's not as spicy or be sweet.
She's getting into vlogging. You should do a vlog.
I get really into baking. I used to bake.
Last one!
So much. These were all the apples I gathered during quarantine, but I didn't touch
No!
them. Yeah. I've learned because I work with kids. I've learned not to eat an apple whole. I have to eat it cut,
Oh, really?
which is so stupid. I'm like an adult wanting to slice apple.
I like this game.
And
I love cinnamon. There we go. Finished.
did your nanny ever make this for you growing up?
I don't think she did.
My nan and my mum love apple pies and apple tarts.
Oh no, I had a granddad on my mum's side, and he was always used to make. We used to go blackberry picking, and
Yeah.
he used to grow raspberries and stuff in his garden, and all kinds of rhubarb.
Yeah,
He used to make all kinds of pies and cakes and all kinds of stuff. And he used to make the best chocolate cake I've ever had in my whole life, and I've never had anything like it since. And I really wish that I'd have got his recipe back in the day.
I know. See, I'm the only one who doesn't know how to make the actual pastry of the pie, but I know how to stew the apples. And maybe we're like poached pears, if we would collect some pears.
The tennis coach on the island has invited me and a couple of other guys to go to the tennis court and play tennis. I have never played tennis in my whole life, do not know the first thing about it, don't know the rules, don't know anything. So it's only going to be for 30 minutes, so it's just more for laughs than anything else. But yeah, this is going to be interesting to see what this is like. I don't really play sports. I love the gym, but I don't really play sports, so we'll see what happens. Guys, I've got the day off today, so I'm going to go for a little sunbathe, and then this afternoon Ricardo, the surf teacher here, is going to teach me and Olivia and Jemmy how to surf apparently, so this is going to be an interesting afternoon. So that's it guys, I'm going to end it there, the end of Maldives Diaries chapter 3. So I never in a million years thought that I'd like tennis, but because I've never enjoyed watching it on TV, but I actually really enjoyed playing it. We had another little night of it playing this week as well. So yeah, I like tennis all of a sudden, and surfing was so much fun, although I got very sore nipples because nobody told me about that, about rubbing on the board. So yeah, but surfing was fun as well. So yeah, just gonna spin around and show you this beautiful view of that sunset. But yeah guys, I'm ending it there, so please remember to like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to get my first 100 subscribers. So yeah, peace out.